All right, we're heading up to the cottage, and it is Sunday, April 4th, Easter Sunday. There's everyone in the back.
Hello.
See the boat in the back there. Thank you, Troy Fraser, for lending us your boat to get up there. And we'll see you on the water. All right, we're going. Here it is. All right, girls. We're on the water. April 4th. We'll see you in a bit. Which way do you want to go? Which way do you want to go? Do you want to go to the left or to the right?
That way. I go that way.
The old way? It's a little bit longer.
Yeah, that's good. We're used
Okay.
to it.
And last year, this guy's dock, the side of this boathouse, was actually underwater, upwards of maybe 6 inches at times. Still has some ice here in the top of North Bay. As we head into Charlie's Channel, or the bottom end of Deer Island Channel, on the east side. Last leg on the way to the cottage. There we are. That's the cottage. Got some ice and some docks. All right, so we've got our docks. Hopefully the water's not so low that I can't pull those out, but we'll figure it out. That's a new busted tree and some old logs, and we have some cottage there to check out. Apparently the backside, we'll see it in a second, the eaves came off with the snow, so we'll see. Yep, we have some eaves trough damage.
And the table.
So here we are, looking at that tree that fell down, and look at the cause. It is a very ambitious beaver that has caused it, and I bet when it fell, it probably scared that beaver. But yeah, now it's caused us a mess because that almost landed on our dock, and we'll have to get rid of that somehow. Thank you, Mr. Beaver.